Hey, it's Emily with WTA.
And I think it's high time we go on a grand adventure in style. If you're looking for a super fashionable and functional set, this 6-piece set from Larvender should be on your list. I love that it nests together for easy storage, and I love that the personal cosmetic cases have both a shoulder strap and an elastic strap, so you can easily sit them on the other spinners. I found this set so spacious, and you can get an extra 2 inches by expanding the 4 spinner pieces. I appreciated all the organizing bonuses like straps to keep things together, mesh pockets, and dividers. There's a few other features that make this set super luxe, like a side handle on the larger pieces, which makes them easier to load and unload. And the handles also have a super soft rubber underside, which is lovely and gentle on your hands. That's great when they're pretty heavy and you're trying to load them up. They spin, push, and pull like a dream. My husband and I felt so stylish and posh with this luggage on our trip. This set comes with a variety of color options with that chic brown trim, but I'm obsessed with this foresty olive green color. We found them easy to take with us on elevators and over bumpy terrain. The flexibility of using them as push-pull spinners or flipping them on edge and pulling them like traditional luggage makes it easy to navigate any kind of metropolitan travel. It was super easy to find our luggage on the baggage claim. Personally, I love having brightly colored luggage so that I can find them easily, and it's easy to find my husband too. I also appreciated the TSA-approved locks for security. And as you can see, we really put this luggage set through some rigorous testing. And I can assure you it is made to last and deal with all of the abuse that our luggage goes through with airline travel. This set by Larvender is going to be your best friend on your next adventure. So pick your favorite color. It's going to keep all your stuff safe and organized, and you're going to look super styling too.
And that's my point of view.